Hello everyone, and thank you for watching my presentation on Benton Harbor Area Schools, a leadership view of the organization. I'm Gail Enders, and I will be your hostess for this presentation. First, we will start with discussing the organizational values. One of the main values of this district is the ability to keep customers and their customer service efforts intact. Without good customer service, families and students may choose to send their children to other districts that are close to their community. With schools of choice being prevalent, it is easy to enroll your student in a better school or a school that offers more that is close to your home. We also have to provide good communication. Communication is a key part in every organization's success. The leaders in my organization stress that communication must be clear and involve everyone in the district. We also must be on the same page and working toward the same goals to effectively serve our customers, the students, and our communities. The leadership team is also responsible for growth, and they believe that growth needs to happen in order for changes to occur in our district. They promote change and involve all staff members when deciding on what changes need to be made for the district and how to implement them. One thing that leaders strive for in this organization is to let employees know that they are valued by the organization, that we need each and every one of them to run, and we need their abilities and professionalism to keep the students engaged and with our district. We also have to be responsive to the needs of our customers, the children, the families, and the environment around us. The leaders notice that some of the employees need guidance, some need encouragement, and others just need a thank you to give them the appreciation they need to know that they're doing the right things for the district. All the staff must be able to adapt to change based on customers' needs. They must be responsive to the students and the families and care for them as they would their own families. We are in a family organization here. We are based on how we treat students, staff, and the culture and community must be observed and part of our forefront in how we operate as a district. The leadership style here in our district is directive, but it's inclusive. They encourage staff to input any opinions, ideas, concerns that need to be addressed. Because the leaders are few and the district is large, they cannot see everything that is going on. They cannot be everywhere. They cannot be in every building at all times. So they must be informed by the staff, as they call them, the people on the front line, who see the day-to-day operations and where our weaknesses are. They then encourage improvement within these teams to help them. The buildings all have their own teams, and these teams report then to the leadership all the areas that need to be addressed and give their ideas as to how things can be changed and made better for the staff, students, and community. Another thing is leaders always are there in other districts that are willing to help provide our staff and our leadership team with ideas or how they have run across issues and what they've done to better serve their community. All districts help each other, even though we are in competition for students. We do have many common behaviors among our employees. Because our staff are, for the most part, professionals, they respect each other. They're all in the same boat, and they're always willing to help out their fellow employee. Some cases they may need to take some students where a substitute was not able to be found for the room. Teachers are hard to find these days, and substitutes are just as hard. So some teachers have to take over classes for other teachers, so they respect each other's needs if someone needs to take a day off. The staff is also encouraged to reach out to departments for any needs or concerns that they see, which this runs along the communication lines of free and open communication within our district. And our staff is encouraged to grow from within the company. Teachers with different certifications and endorsements can try opportunities to teach other classes that they might be interested in that don't require a certain endorsement, such as a non-core class. They're also encouraged to participate in activities or interests beyond their regular teaching assignment, such as spelling bees or drama coaches. These people are hard to find, and sometimes the staff will do this. They are good at coercing kids to come in and try to keep them engaged in school and out of trouble when they're outside of the school day. This organization is comprised of teams and groups. Teams are formed for special projects, and they usually involve staff from many different departments. The teams work together, gather the information, and forecast the process of the project to the end. The team then presents it to the group. The group could be the superintendent with Board of Ed members, because they have the final say in all the projects that we proceed in as a district. The teams are also vehicles for employee suggestions and behaviors in the community. The teams may also present ideas to the superintendent for the board regarding such things as compensation, rewards and recognitions, and encouragement to help keep staff on the right track to doing a good job. The organizational structure is a pyramid with staff, teachers, support staff, and support staff includes paraprofessionals, custodians, bus drivers, maintenance, anybody who supports the educational staff. Those people report to the building principals. Building principals are responsible for what happens in their buildings, from keeping the floors clean to the test scores. The student growth and downfall of a building is based on the principal's leadership and guidance. They then report to the leadership team. The leadership team conveys any issues or projects that they are working on to the superintendent. The superintendent follows the policies set by the Board of Education and brings these projects to the board for their approval. The Board of Education sets the policies based on state guidelines and works with the superintendent to make sure everyone in the district is working according to these policies. The success of this organization is based on, obviously, the staff that we have and the enrollment that we have. Unfortunately, this organization has been losing students, and it is very hard to find staff to work here. I think the leadership team has a good grasp as to how things should run, how to effectively include staff in all their decisions, and work together as a team to provide the best for the district, the students, and the community. Thank you.